So for today, I will be showing you on how to transfer TurboTax from one computer to another. So first, you just have to copy TurboTax installer by finding the installer file, which is you will have this installed file usually at .exe for Windows or a .dmg for Mac. And then copy it to a USB drive, and if not, just download the installer again from the official website of the TurboTax. And now, after that, copy to a new computer by pasting the installer file from the USB drive to your new computer's desktop or a suitable folder. And then, after copying it to another desktop or a laptop, just install TurboTax on the new computer, which is you pasted the folder from the previous one, which is you can run the installer by clicking it. It is whether .exe or .dmg, and just follow the on-screen instructions for you to able to install the TurboTax. And then, if it is required during the installation, you may be prompted to enter your TurboTax license code, and you can also find it in your purchase confirmation email or some TurboTax account. And then, to transfer your tax files, you can actually locate it in your documents folder where you save them, like copying the tax files to USB drive by copy all tax files that you wanted to transfer. Then, paste files to new computer by pasting the files into the appropriate folder, for example, documents. And then, you should now good to go. Launch your TurboTax, and then open tax files. Just go to File, select the Open Tax Return, and select the Transferred tax files to continue working on them. And that's how you transfer TurboTax from one computer to another.